Friends, both Israel and Turkey are major military powers in their respective regions. But when it comes to military strength, which country has the edge? Let's find out. First, let's talk about land area. If we look at the map, Turkey is a large and strategically important country located in Eurasia, between Europe and Asia, covering approximately 783,562 square kilometers. Israel, on the other hand, is a small but highly capable nation located in the Middle East, with a total area of about 21,937 square kilometers. When it comes to their capitals, Ankara is the capital of Turkey, while Jerusalem is the capital of Israel. In terms of leadership, Turkey is led by President Recep Tayyip Erdogan, while Israel is led by Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. When it comes to population and the economy, Turkey holds a clear advantage in population. Turkey has a population of approximately 84 million people, while Israel's population is around 9.4 million. This gives Turkey a much larger workforce and manpower base. And when it comes to economic size, Turkey is also ahead. Turkey's nominal GDP is more than $1.3 trillion, while Israel's GDP is over $540 billion. In terms of overall economic size, Turkey has the larger economy. However, when it comes to per capita income, Israel holds a significant advantage over Turkey. Now let's talk about defense spending. Turkey's defense budget has surpassed $51.4 billion, while Israel's defense budget stands at $34.6 billion. This means Turkey spends more on its military than Israel. However, Israel's defense budget and advanced technology make it one of the most formidable military powers in the Middle East. According to the Global Firepower Rankings, Turkey is ranked 9th overall in military strength, while Israel ranks 15th. When it comes to military manpower, Turkey has one of the largest armed forces in the Middle East and Europe. Israel has approximately 169,500 active duty personnel, while Turkey has around 481,000 active duty troops. In this category, Turkey holds the advantage. Turkey also has approximately 380,000 reserve personnel and 150,000 paramilitary forces, while Israel has around 465,000 reserve personnel and 35,000 paramilitary personnel. One important thing to note is that the Israeli military is widely regarded as one of the world's most battle-tested forces, with extensive experience from continuous military operations. Meanwhile, the Turkish military is the second largest force in NATO and also has significant combat experience from various military operations. When it comes to ground forces, the competition is intense. Israel operates approximately 1,300 tanks, while Turkey fields around 2,284 tanks. Turkey also has about 98,193 armored vehicles, compared to Israel's 62,380 armored vehicles. Israel operates 323 self-propelled artillery systems, 171 towed artillery pieces, and 228 mobile rocket launcher systems. Turkey, on the other hand, fields approximately 1,045 self-propelled artillery systems, 635 towed artillery pieces, and 237 mobile rocket launcher systems. Looking to the skies, Turkey holds the advantage in total aircraft numbers. Turkey operates approximately 1,101 aircraft, while Israel has around 597 aircraft. Israel fields 239 fighter aircraft, including highly capable platforms such as the F-35I Adir and F-15. Turkey, meanwhile, operates approximately 201 fighter aircraft, primarily consisting of F-16s. Israel operates 127 helicopters, including 48 attack helicopters such as the Apache. Turkey, on the other hand, fields 509 helicopters, including 111 attack helicopters such as the T-129 Attack. When it comes to aerial refueling, Israel has the advantage. Turkey operates only 7 aerial tankers and 27 special mission aircraft, while Israel operates 13 aerial tankers and 19 special mission aircraft. Israel also operates 14 transport aircraft and 148 trainer aircraft, while Turkey fields 84 transport aircraft and 301 trainer aircraft. Now let's move into the depths of the oceans. When it comes to total naval fleet size, Turkey holds the advantage. Turkey operates 192 naval assets, while Israel has 82 vessels. However, when it comes to aircraft carriers, Israel operates no aircraft carriers, while Turkey operates one drone/helicopter carrier, the TCG Anadolu. In terms of submarines, Israel operates 6 Dolphin-class submarines, while Turkey fields 14 submarines. In addition, Israel operates 0 helicopter carriers, 0 destroyers, 0 frigates, 7 corvettes, 66 patrol vessels, and 0 mine warfare vessels. Turkey, on the other hand, operates 1 helicopter carrier, 0 destroyers, 17 frigates, 9 corvettes, 40 patrol vessels, and 11 mine warfare vessels. Speaking of missiles, Israel has the highly dangerous Jericho-3 ballistic missile in its arsenal. Meanwhile, Turkey operates indigenous missile systems such as the Bora and Tayfun, which are among its most powerful long-range strike weapons. For protection against air attacks, Israel fields some of the world's most advanced air defense systems, including Iron Dome, David's Sling, and Arrow 3. Turkey, on the other hand, relies on its indigenous Hisar systems as well as the Russian-made S-400 air defense system. Today, wars are increasingly fought with drones, and in this field both countries are global leaders. Israel operates highly capable drones such as the Heron and Hermes, while Turkey has built a powerful fleet of indigenous drones, including the Bayraktar TB2 and the Akinci. When it comes to the power that no one wants to use, nuclear weapons, Israel holds a significant advantage over Turkey. According to estimates, Israel possesses around 90 nuclear warheads, while Turkey has no nuclear warheads of its own, although it participates in NATO's nuclear sharing arrangements. Looking at logistics, Israel has 40 airports, 41 merchant marine vessels, 5 ports and terminals, a labor force of approximately 4.7 million people, and more than 20,000 kilometers of road network. Turkey, meanwhile, has approximately 116 airports, 1,170 merchant marine vessels, 54 ports and terminals, a labor force of more than 36 million people, and around 68,000 kilometers of roadway infrastructure. Based on all these figures, it can be said that Turkey is a major regional military power thanks to its large armed forces, strong navy, and advanced drone technology. Israel, on the other hand, is considered one of the world's most formidable militaries due to its cutting-edge technology, F-35 fighter jets, advanced air defense systems, and nuclear capability. Turkey has the advantage in terms of numbers and resources, while Israel holds the edge in technology and combat effectiveness. As a result, both countries demonstrate their strengths in different areas of military power. In your opinion, which country is more powerful? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.